Summer started through my husband Alan and his wife Chook. As a family, we went to Vietnam and Chook tried all her favourite places and she said, I'm going to perfect it. So she came back and thought, I'm going to make the best pho you can have. She taught it to her staff and then that's the recipe. The journey with Uber Eats started when it was just hard to find parking and people just wanted to have good Vietnamese food and just easier just to get it out there through Uber Eats. So the most popular food items on the menu is the mixed beef plate and the pho bowl, which is the beef noodle soup. The most unexpected benefit was how many customers it actually brought in. Without Uber Eats, people wouldn't be as adventurous really with all the different cuisines. Depending on the area, there's different demographics, so we tweaked the menus a little bit just to cater for those type of people. The percentage for Uber Eats sales for our stores is about 30%. The information that we get from Uber Eats, we've used that to help develop new stores, and our goal is to open up to 50 stores. I would recommend another restaurant who wants to use Uber Eats to just do it because it's so easy. I think it will help the business grow in another way. Getting your name out there through Uber Eats is going to expand your business.